Good day. Today's title is simple interest. What is simple interest? We have got only one formula. Interest is equal to PRT over 100. I stands for amount of interest that you earn. P stands for principal, the capital, the money that you have, you invest or you borrow. Rate is R stands for rate in terms of percentage, and time differs. It can be years, it can be months, it can be days. There is only one important rule here. You have to be very careful. Rate and time must be the same unit. If rate is per annum, then the time must be year. If rate is per month, the rate of the interest, then time has to be months. If rate is per day, then the time has to be in terms of days. And remember, in 1 year, we have got 365 days and 12 months, and we have 26 fortnights, and what else left? 52 weeks. For example, if rate is given in terms of weeks, and time has to be in terms of weeks. If rate is given in terms of dates or in terms of fortnights, then the time has to be in terms of days or fortnights. Whatever the unit is, rate and time has to be the same unit. All right, that's the only thing that you have to remember. And don't forget, in 1 year we have 365 days. Sometimes it is 364 days, but we don't care that. It's fixed 365 days. When we do calculation for interest, we get 365 days. And then it's 12 months. How many fortnights? 26 fortnights. And how many weeks? We've got 52 weeks. Okay, now find the interest charged or earned on the following loans or investment. So interest is charged when you get a loan from the bank. Of course, you have to pay interest to the bank. Or when you invest money into the bank, again, you will earn interest. In the first case, when you are borrowing money, you have to pay interest. In the second case, when you are investing money, you will earn interest. Let's look at the first one. $690 loan at 12% per annum simple interest for 15 months. I can answer this question in the two ways. First of all, I have to identify what is what. So here, what given is to me is the principal. The question is find the interest charge or earn. So the question is find I. P is given 12% per annum. This is the rate. And what is 15 months? That's the time. There is a problem here. What is the problem? If you look at the unit of the rate, it is per annum, year base, but time is 15 months. Either I have to convert months into year, or I have to convert year into months. We can answer it in both ways. Let's answer it in both ways. All right. So the first thing, I is equal to, I'm writing my formula, I is equal to P times 690 times 12 years. So the first calculation, let's make it in terms of years. Since the rate is in terms of year, I will convert months into years. How do I convert 15 months into years? 15 divided by 12. That makes years, divided by 100. Let's use our calculator here. What's the result? 690 times 15 divided by 100. So that will make 103.5 kina. So we will, no, not kina, it is in terms of dollar. So we should write, yes, the unit dollar 103.5. So that's the answer. What if I do it another way? So I is equal to 690 times. Now, this time I would like to convert the rate per year into per month. If your rate 12% per year, then monthly rate will be 12. This is per year, isn't it? 1 month divided by 12. So that gives you 1 month rate. multiply what is the time, 15 months, divided by 100. So that's equal to, again, you will get 103.5. So either way, whether you convert the time into a rate unit or you convert rate unit into the time unit, it doesn't really matter what you do. What matters is rate and time must be the same unit. In the first answer, we converted months into years, so both of them are in terms of year. In the second way, what did we do here? We converted year into monthly rate, and time is also month. So this is month, this is month. Let's look at the second question. $7,500 invested for 3 years at 1% per month interest. Okay, time is given 3 years and the rate is given per month. So what am I supposed to do here? I is equal to, what is 7,500? It's the principal times. All right, shall we convert year into month or month into year? It doesn't really matter what we do, but it will be easy to convert year into month. So, or month into year, it doesn't really matter. Let's convert month into year. Let's convert rate of month into time unit years. So if you have 1 month into 1% interest per month in 1 year, what would be your interest rate? 1% per month. There are 12 months. So in 1 year, your interest rate will be 1 times 12 times 3 year divided by 100. So let me do the calculation here. 7,500 times 36 divided by 100. So that makes $2,700. Well, that's a good money. $2,700. So that's the answer. Yes. Okay. What about the second way? The second way, all right. So that is 7,500 principal. Now let's write monthly rate. That is 1%. Now, since this is the monthly rate, the time has to be month. 3 years. How many months are there in 3 years? 3 times 12 divided by 100. So basically, you get the same answer, $2,700. So it doesn't really matter which one you convert into what. All right, let's look at number C. 25,000, let's use a different color. $25,000 borrowed for 13 weeks at 0.1% per week simple interest. Now, if you look at the time is weeks. If you look at the rate is week. Do I need to change anything? No, I don't need. So I is equal to, so the P 25,000 times, what is my rate? 0.1. How many weeks? For 13 weeks divided by 100. So what's the result here? So that makes, if you simplify zeros, 250 times 0.1 times 13, that makes $321. So at the end of the 13 weeks, you will have 325 extra money in your account. Number D, $250 invested at 1% per month and 2 years. So it is different. I have to convert one into another. Doesn't matter which one. So let's convert rate into year or year into rate. Which one do you like more? Okay, if you ask me, I will. It doesn't really matter for me. Let's see. I is equal to. Let's convert month into year. $250 invested times. That's my capital. This is the P. So if it is 1% per month in 1 year, 1 times 12, you will get 12% interest rate for 2 years divided by 100. So the result will be here 250 times 24 divided by 100. That makes $60. $60. Or you convert I is equal to 250 times. Your rate is month, so you convert year into month. 2 times 12, you got 24 months in 1 year. So again, your answer will be $60. Okay, what did we learn out of this? Don't forget, the unit of the rate and time has to be the same. Let's look at some more examples. All right, here. Find the principal invested if the simple interest, 8% per annum, earning $651 interest over 18 months. Oh, okay. This time, like the previous example, we are not asked to find interest, amount of interest, but the question is find the principal. So what is given to me here?